Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Circle Bingus. First, let's understand what Circle Bingus truly is. It originated as a popular internet meme featuring a distinctive hairless cat, gaining widespread recognition. This meme has since evolved, inspiring various virtual items and collectibles, particularly within the expansive world of Roblox. It's a fun and recognizable element that many players and meme enthusiasts seek to acquire and display. If you're looking for the wearable version, you can easily obtain the Bingus cat pointing meme circle shoulder accessory. This is a user-generated content item, readily available for purchase directly from the Roblox avatar shop or catalog. It typically costs around 55 Robux, offering a distinctive and humorous way to customize your avatar with this iconic meme, making your character stand out. Beyond the accessory, Circle Bingus often appears as a collectible within specific Roblox experiences. Games such as Find the Circles 2 are known for featuring these hidden items. To find them, you'll need to thoroughly explore different maps and secret locations. Many games offer various Bingus types, each requiring unique discovery methods, adding to the challenge and fun. To maximize your chances of finding all Circle Bingus items, here are some helpful tips. Always check for game updates, as new collectibles and locations are frequently added. Engaging with the game's community forums or social media can provide valuable hints and strategies from other players. Remember to explore every corner of the game world, including obscure or elevated spots, as Bingus can be cleverly hidden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.